Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a couple of days ago, we passed an anniversary of what is probably one of the biggest times for Windows, and an incredible time where people actually wait in line for an operating system. I don't see anybody waiting in line for Windows 11 today. So 29 years ago, August the 24th, 1995, there was a release of Windows 95. And it's just incredible when you think about it. I remember this changed everything. I installed this. I had the version with, I don't remember how many 3.5-inch discs that you had to install. And I remember installing it like, for the 20th time or something, and one of the discs had gone bad and you couldn't continue because it wouldn't go past without the files that it needed. It didn't work. And man, Windows 95 was, I remember there was a few things that I was amazed at, which today is so ordinary. I had a couple of music CDs, one from Sarah McLachlan. I had another one from, I'm trying to remember his name, which were the first CD with media on it. You had a video clip of one of the songs. You had all sorts of these little things that was amazing. I mean, for me, that was amazing back in the day. We started having, wow, computers can now display video. It's just great. And I mean, it was nothing compared to today. Today we go on YouTube, we have Netflix, we have, it's a computer that plays videos is totally normal today. It was just amazing back then. And it was arriving as the internet was slowly getting there a couple of years later. Still a lot of things, even on Windows 11, we talked about it, the famous control panel. I mean, the control panel still looks very similar to the Windows 95 control panel. They tweaked the icons and they tweaked a little bit in the window, but this is not far from what it looked in Windows 95. Just shows us that, the code underneath Windows 11 still has a lot of legacy code that comes from that time. Just amazing. And it's amazing to think it's 29 years. It seems like yesterday. And seems like yesterday that everybody waited in line to get their copy of Windows 95. That was truly amazing. And of course, back in the day, what would happen? There was no online check for piracy. You just installed it with the key, and then you lend it to a friend of yours. Say, hey, here's Windows 95, and everybody was sharing Windows 95. I always wondered how many official versions and how many PCs with a copy of it were on working around the world, basically. So if you have any fond memories of Windows 95, how about sharing them here? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.